Nice haircut.
Let's go play frisbee. No, I'm recording. Right now I'm recording these pictures.
Come on, come here, come here.
How many
I just
parts?
wanna see your haircut. Wow, nice haircut. Who did it?
And
Your dad?
No, the barber's right here. Yeah, the barber is here.
Oh.
He's in this party. He's
Who?
over there. He's like Tito Elmo
Oh.
with the white hat. So it's like get what?
Mom and Dad, DJ drink it?
first,
You want more?
partner, 1, 2, 3,
Give me that.
No waivers. I already have one.
No!
ano po sasali?
Give it that to Dad. Huh? Give it to Dad.
Okay, simple lang. Pag nag-stop ang music, isang partner natin dito. Yung isang partner, upo sa lahat. Sana po ibang upuan lang, lamang po. Sandali natin.
Do you want my phone?
No.
Iyan lang yung phone mo, Dad.
Oh, sige, grandma, kasi kayo lang eh. Bigyan na namin kayo, grandma.
You ask.
Come on! Minsan lang to. $50,000. Look at this. Grandma, come on up. Grab a partner. Grab a partner.
Dali na kayo ah. Magsayaw-sayong wait.
Daddy,
Let's go, bro.
You wanna join in?
say
You
alright.
wanna join in?
First,
Oh,
come.
no.
Come. First,
Gusto mo mag-MC with me?
you can say smile.
Okay, isang partner. Alright. Isa, dalawa,
Just tell me
tatlo,
he's not you.
apat, lima, anim.
You're not his favorite.
Isang
Huh?
partner.
What?
Kuya, dito po dalawa hindi na nakaayos na eh.
Yo, what the?
Fuck. So, anim na. Five.
Go.
Okay. You know the rules. Lalo namin dito, nagsimula nung bata pa. When the music is playing until 10, it's got 10th round. When the music stops, everybody can just sit here, the other guy sits on the lap. Whoever sits there, it's fine. Basta yung isa nakaupo sa lap.
Ay,
Now, if you don't have a chair, you're out.
go. No.
4,